The Amazon rainforest, an enormous area of vibrant greenery and winding streams, is home to one of the most complex and varied ecosystems on the planet. Creatures that are so rare and remarkable that they almost appear legendary, hiding beneath its lush forest and along its numerous rivers. Let's take a deeper look at some of these intriguing species that are not only fascinating, but also shrouded in mystery, intrigue, and the attraction of the unfamiliar. From brilliant birds that exhibit unimaginable colors to elusive predators that stalk silently in the shadows, the Amazon's residents provide us with a glimpse into a world that is both amazing and precious. Amazonian tree boa. The Amazonian tree boa is highly skilled at camouflage in the deep rainforest. Its bright scales, which are generally a combination of greens and browns, enable it to blend in with its surroundings as it coils around branches. This secretive snake is a nocturnal hunter that targets tiny mammals and birds with accuracy. Despite its frightening appearance, it is not poisonous and presents no danger to humans. Instead, it relies on restricting its victim, a skill perfected over millennia. The Amazonian tree boa is silent and alone, exemplifying the rainforest's mystery attraction. Its enigmatic presence enhances the rich tapestry of Amazonian biodiversity. Observing this animal in its native environment provides insight into the adaptation techniques used by people who live in rainforests. Conservation efforts are critical to protecting this species because habitat loss threatens its survival. With its unique adaptations, the Amazonian tree boa is a symbol of the rainforest's immense biodiversity and evolutionary miracles. For those who are fortunate enough to see it in the natural, it creates an unforgettable imprint, emphasizing the necessity of maintaining these rare habitats. Pink river dolphin. In the constantly changing waters of the Amazon, the pink river dolphin swims with almost unforeseen grace. Its distinctive glass frog. The glass frog, perched on the vivid leaves of the Amazon rainforest, is a natural wonder. Its skin is so clear that its internal organs are visible, which amazes scientists and nature lovers alike. This transparency acts as an efficient camouflage, allowing the frog to fit in with its surroundings flawlessly. The glass frog is primarily nocturnal, meaning it is most active at night when hunting insects. The glass frog's reproductive habits are similarly fascinating. Females lay their eggs on foliage overhanging streams, and once hatched, the tadpoles fall into the water below, continuing their life cycle. This way of reproduction assures the protection of their young in the early phases of development. However, habitat loss and climate change endanger their survival, necessitating conservation efforts. Poison dart frog. The poison dart frog, with its brilliant colors, is one of the most recognizable species in the Amazon forest. Its vibrant colors serve as a warning to predators about its hazardous nature, providing an excellent example of nature's warning signs. These small but powerful frogs have skin poisons that can be fatal, a defense mechanism that stops even the most bold predators. However, habitat loss and climate change are serious risks to their populations. Conservation efforts are critical to preserving these amazing creatures and their habitats. Observing a poison dart frog in its native habitat is an exciting experience that provides insight into the glories of Amazonian biodiversity. Pygmy Marmoset. The pygmy marmoset, the world's tiniest monkey, clings to Amazonian trees and is a mesmerizing sight. This little monkey, measuring approximately 100 grams, is notable for its small size and quickness. Pygmy marmosets live in tiny family groups and communicate via a variety of vocalizations that promote social bonding. Their nutrition consists primarily of tree sap, which they remove with their sharp teeth. This feeding requirement affects their habitat selection, as they rely on trees with copious sap. Despite their small stature, these monkeys are quite agile, leaping long distances between branches. However, habitat destruction and illegal pet trade endanger their populations. Conservation efforts are critical for protecting these unique primates and preserving their way of life. Seeing a pygmy marmoset in the wild is a rare treat, providing insight into the fascinating world of Amazonian wildlife and emphasizing the need for coordinated conservation efforts. Tapir. The tapir, a friendly yet secretive jungle resident, wanders through the Amazon's lush flora. Its unusual snout, which resembles a short stem, is used to search for leaves, fruits, and aquatic plant life. Tapirs are typically nocturnal animals that use their excellent sense of smell to traverse through impenetrable woodland under cover of darkness. Despite their size, they are very agile and are capable of moving rapidly when required. Tapirs are important to their environment because they help in seed dispersal, which helps to preserve the forest's health and diversity. Observing a tapir in the wild is a unique and relaxing sight that provides insight into the Amazon rainforest's secret life. Their presence exemplifies the ecosystem's high biodiversity and interdependence. Goliath Birdeater. The Goliath Birdeater, the world's largest tarantula, creeps across the forest floor and commands a powerful presence in the Amazon jungle. Despite its fearsome look and moniker, it primarily preys on insects, small animals, and reptiles. This tarantula's large size and hairy body make it easily identifiable, and its poisonous bite, while not dangerous to humans, aids in the capture of prey. The Goliath bird-eater's predatory role serves to limit the populations of other small species, which contributes to ecological equilibrium. However, habitat loss and settlement by humans endanger its survival, underlining the necessity for conservation measures. Seeing a Goliath bird-eater in its natural habitat is both exciting and alarming, providing a window into the rainforest's varied and sometimes hidden life. Its presence demonstrates the remarkable diversity and resilience of Amazonian animals, reminding us of the necessity of protecting these unique habitats. Tamarin. Hidden among the branches, the tamarin is a small but striking Amazon rainforest dweller. Tamarins, known for their colorful coats and expressive expressions, are social creatures who live in family groupings to care for their young. Their diet is made up of fruits, insects, and tiny vertebrates, which they forage with quickness and precision. Tamarins are essential for seed distribution, which aids in forest regeneration. However, habitat destruction as well as the illegal pet trade endanger their populations, emphasizing the necessity for conservation efforts. These little primates demonstrate the delicate harmony of the rainforest ecosystem and the interdependence of its residents. Seeing a tamarin in the wild is a delightful experience that demonstrates the beauty and diversity of life in the Amazon. Their existence emphasizes the need to preserve biodiversity and protect these unique habitats for generations to come. Macaw. The macaw, perched high in the Amazon's treetops, is a colorful symbol of the rainforest. So, what are your thoughts about today's video? Don't forget to leave them all in the comments section below. Let's meet again with our next video.